Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start with exercise 3.5. Our period is first, class 10 maths. Day is Wednesday. The date is 6/5/2020. Question number 1 says, which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution? We have already done these topics in exercise 3.2. Remember? In case there is a unique solution, find it by cross multiplication method. This is a new method for you, cross multiplication method. Although I have sent you the PPT and you have seen that in that also. The condition of unique solution is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Totally unique. They both are not equal, or they intersect each other, Come to question number 1 now. X minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. What we will do? We will take out a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. a1, 1, b1, minus 3, c1, minus 3. a2, 3, b2, minus 9, c2, minus 2. The condition here for unique is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Yes or no? Put the values. I put it the values. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. But what I have seen, a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 have come equal now. Yes or no? But c1 upon c2 does not come equal. So the condition comes out to be no solution condition. It is not unique solution condition, it is no solution condition. I have checked all three. I have got a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but it's not equal to c1 upon c2. Got it? So we will not going to solve further. It is stated in the question, if it is a unique solution, then you have to solve it further. Now see question number 2. Interesting question. 2x plus y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. a1, b1, c1. a2, b2, c2. Check the condition. a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. The condition is satisfied. Now we will solve this by cross multiplication method. How you should use the cross multiplication method? X, y, minus 1. See, you will write minus 1 in this case when you are taking value beyond the is equal to. हिंदी में बता रहा हूं, अगर आप इज इक्वल टू के इधर वैल्यू लेंगे c1 और c2 की, तो आप यहाँ -1 लगाएंगे. अगर आप नहीं लेंगे तो यहाँ +1 लगाएंगे. अगर आप इनको इज इक्वल टू के इधर ले जाते हैं अपने पास से, तो यहाँ +1 लिखेंगे, पर इज इक्वल टू के इधर लिखते हैं तो आप -1 यहाँ लगाएंगे फॉर्मूले में. क्यों? क्योंकि आगे काम आएगा ये. नाउ x इज इक्वल टू y इज इक्वल टू -1. b1 upon b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2 b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2. जहां से स्टार्ट किया वहीं खत्म कर दिया. b के बाद क्या था? c. क्या बचा फिर? a. जहां से स्टार्ट किया था वहीं खत्म कर दिया. आई पुट द वैल्यूज नाउ. 1 2 5 8 2 3 1 2. द वैल्यू ऑफ b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and b1 b2. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई देम. 1 8 जा 8. We have to put negative sign in between. This is the formula. This is the procedure. 1 into 2, 1 into 8, 8, 2, 8, 5 za 10 minus 10. Y, 5 3 za 15, 8 2 za 16. Between them minus sign. 2 2 za 4, 1 3 za 3. Between them minus sign. Look it very carefully. One of the easiest method after elimination. So the value comes out to be x upon -2, y upon -1, -1 upon 1. To find x and y, you will take this with it, this with it. See, x upon -2 is equal to -1 upon 1. This and this. I have taken this -2 to this side, -1 into -2, +2. Now again, y upon -1, -1 upon 1. I have taken this -1 to this side, -1 into -1, +1. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. One of the easiest method, bacha. One of the very easy method. Do the remaining parts of this question. Question number 2. For what value of a and b will the following pair of linear equation have infinite number of solution? The first part says infinite number of solution. Remember, this question is coming in the examination since so many years. One of the most important parts, I have done both the parts for you because this is one of the most important question for the board purpose. Got it? For infinite many solution, the condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Yes or no? The question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. A minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. a1 2, b1 3, c1 7, a2 a minus b, b2 a plus b, c2 3a plus b minus 2. Got it? Put it in the formula of infinite many solution condition. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. 2 upon a minus b, 3 upon a plus b, b2. 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2, that means c2. Got it? Taking this with it, this with it. You might have this question in your mind, sir, can't we take this and this together and this together? If it is very much feasible to take this with the last, second with the last. You can easily remember also. First with the last, second with the last. I have taken first with the last. 2 upon a minus b, 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. I have cross multiplied. The equation comes, I have solved one equation. Again I have done the same thing here. Cross multiplied. 3a plus b minus 2, 7a plus b. Multiplied this with inside. You'll get one more equation. A minus 2b is equal to 3. Now you have two equations. Remember, I have taken 2 as common from it and put this 2 down. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So a minus 2b is equal to 3. Second equation. We have two equations now. Solve it by elimination method. Because there is nothing written that you have to solve it by particular method. This is minus a, this is plus a, already given in the question. Directly cancelled out. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 will go down, the value of b is 1. Put b is equal to 1, equation number 2. A minus 2b is equal to 3. 2 into 1, 2. That is minus 2. Take it this side. A is equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. One of the very important question. Now the second part of this question, we have to find the value of k and the condition is no solution. The condition is no solution. I know the no solution condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. I have find a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Yes or no? a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. I put the values. I know that this is not equal to this. We will not touch this. We will deal with these two conditions. I've taken them, cross multiplied. Yes or no? I've got the answer k is equal to 2. Question number 3. It is given that solve by substitution and cross multiplication method. You know both the methods, you can easily solve it. Do this exercise till question number 3 in your fair notebook. If you can do the word problems, try to do the word problems also, or I will be solving it for you in the next lecture. God bless you all of you.